Today we're going to demonstrate how to make a cappuccino mocha. Now to start off, you're going to want to get your cappuccino ready and you want to have in your coffee mug. The ingredients that we're going to use here are a dark creme de cacao, really chocolatey in flavor. You can feel free to substitute a Godiva dark if you like. And we're also going to use a coffee liqueur. We're also going to be using Kahlua, the world's most popular Mexican-based coffee liqueur. But if you want something different, that's more of your taste or preference, feel free to substitute that. Now we're going to do equal parts, so we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of each, or 3 count total. So we can pour that at the same time. 1, 2, and 3 is going to give us the pour we desire. Now, we're going to want to mix that up a little bit with the bar spoon here, just to get all the flavors involved. And then we're going to top that off, as with any other coffee drink, with a layer of whipped cream. Now, we're going to top that off, as always, with a maraschino cherry. Now, what's great about this drink is that there's a lot of different ways to make coffee drinks, but this is pretty much your standard. It's something that's got chocolate in it, coffee liqueur, everything that's really sweet and tasty. It goes great after dinner or as a standalone drink, and it definitely keeps you warm. So that's your cappuccino mocha, a drink you will undoubtedly enjoy.